Hi guys, so I have here the first ever unit in the Philippines of the Nokia 7 Plus. It's a brand new unit. It's going to be released tomorrow, and we have here the very first unit released to the public. Show. Yes. Yes, the owner of the first ever Nokia 7 Plus in the Philippines. Amazing. So, let's take a look at this. This is it, guys. The Nokia 7 Plus. It's run on Android 1 siya na unit. So, this is the unit. Ayan. So, it's color black. Pero, yung ano niya, is it pink? Copper, no? Copper yung detailing niya, so may pagka-rose gold yung effect. Yes. Nandyan pa yung plastic niya, kaya so Carl Zeiss yung cam, and then it has dual cam. So, ito yung capable ng front and rear sabay. Parang picture-in-picture, parang side-by-side. So, amazing. The first ever on-hand unit. Congrats, Mamshi! And over here is the Nokia 7 Plus. It's the more high-end unit. It's 21,990. Ito yung siya, guys. It's very sleek. It's magaan. So let's look at the so it's also Android Oreo 8.1 Oreo, Qualcomm Snapdragon, 6 inches, 18:9 FHD display, FHD plus pala. So Zeiss optics yung cam, so it's 12 MP and then 13 MP dual rear cam. Wow, dual cam siya. And then dual side mode. What does that mean, guys? Simultaneous front and rear. Uy, gusto ko yan. Maganda yan. And then maganda to for vlogging, guys, and for doing mga live videos, live streaming. 4GB RAM, 64GB storage. So, ito yung siya. Try daw natin yung dual something ng cam. Take a look at that. Oh, it's dual cam. So, I can see yung nakikita niyo yung face ko and nakikita niyo yung kung ano nasa harap ko. Bongga, I love it.
Post yung sa Facebook.
Yes.
Kapag sa mag-post sa Facebook, may copy kasi gallery mo.
Okay. So guys, it also has picture-in-picture mode. So meron siya iba-ibang modes and pwede mo siya ma-drag. So you can do reaction videos, ganyan, pa. O, diba? For vloggers and streamers. So pwede dual. Of course, pwede rin ng single. Yan. But I guess, ang pinakamaganda talaga ang picture-in-picture, especially for certain types of videos and vlogs. Yan. So, this works for both photo and video, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, pwede rin tayo mag-video ng picture-in-picture. Bongga. Nice.
Design of durability and the materials and the reliability. This needed to be the statement when HMD Global was introducing the Nokia brand. We had to say, yes, we're following the Scandinavian design heritage that Nokia is known by, and we achieved some great results with this one. So before I talk about the updates that we've made, I'll show you a video.
Ultimate durability begins with a solid block of aluminium, machined into a seamless structure. Combined with an internal metal plate, this reinforces the core of the device. One strong twist locks it in place. This is an approach to engineering that is built to last. It's this strength on the inside that inspires the beauty on the outside. Great engineering deserves bold design. Diamond cut edges and a two-tone anodizing process reflect an attention to detail that brings the new Nokia 6 to life. A focus on quality, design, and craftsmanship, a part of every Nokia smartphone.
So there you go, guys. guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell button so you will be updated if I have new uploads. So the Nokia 7 Plus will be available tomorrow, April 27, in black and copper or white and copper, online and in your favorite distributor. So online, it includes Lazada, Abenson.com, Argo Mall, Memo Express. That's 21,990. I highly recommend it if you want a good vlogging camera or a vlogging phone or a live streaming phone because of the dual camera feature. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.